Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Technology Sahayak. Today in this video I will show you how to add your pronouns to your Instagram profile. If we add pronouns in our Instagram profile, then people will use pronouns as a way to refer to us without using our name. First of all, we will know what is pronoun or Instagram pronoun. Hope we all know what is pronoun and what is meant by Instagram pronouns. Hope everyone understands. But I say, what is the Instagram pronoun feature in Instagram? We all know the words that are used instead of names are called pronouns. Now we will know why we will use pronouns in Instagram profile. Each of our Instagram accounts has a name. When people communicate with us, then they will refer to us Instagram profile name. But if we add pronouns to our Instagram profile, it allows people to know which pronouns to use when they communicate with us. We can add up to 4 pronouns to our profile to help others refer to us. Pronouns we will add will be displayed on our profile and won't be used to refer to us elsewhere on Instagram. So let's start, how to add pronouns to Instagram profile. Go to your Instagram account. Press on profile icon. Tap Edit Profile. Then tap Pronouns. Now we will write the pronouns. I hope everyone has an idea about what pronouns to write instead of names. If you have no idea what pronouns you should write instead of names, then you can search Google which pronouns can be used in Instagram. Besides, you can find the pronouns in my video description. I am using 4 pronouns instead of my name. Below are the instructions while writing pronouns. The pronoun that you want to use, click from below, and it will be used. Pronouns can be changed or removed at any time. If you want to remove, click on the cross and it will be removed. If you want to use it again or change, use it similarly. Here you can have another option, show to followers only. If we turn on this option, only those who follow us will see the pronoun's name. And those who do not follow, they will not be able to see the pronouns. You can turn on or off this option as per your preference. After writing the pronouns, press Done option. And again press Done option to save. Now if I go to my profile, you can see that the pronouns used are displayed next to the name. Friends, I hope you understand, what is Instagram pronouns? Why should I use Instagram pronouns? And how to use Instagram pronouns? If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.